Family. Listen to me, family. Them always a talk about some flare up, you know. Now a St. James. Eh? Now a St. James. The man them see a 7 told them fine. Can you imagine this? Can you believe this? Look upon the machine where the man them a rush. I mean, I talk about no washing machine. I mean, I talk about the sewing machine. I mean, I talk about that. The man them see a chi rifle them having at this stash. At 200 can them a go pop. Them now ramp with that. Now these people here got caught on spot. Them say the anti-gang task force roll up on them. A green pan. Yeah, St. James. And me have to talk about this. Because early down in the week, me touch on it. Oh no, things say I joke me and make say Montego Bay and play. Listen, not even for the bird in the sky it's safe. Just the other day, I eat. Are you when me know pick up? Listen to me, people. I don't know where these people get so many weapons. I don't know where they get so many petrols. Montego Bay, the bad man them not play. The police them say, do not stray. 7 guns including 3 rifles, 200 rounds of ammunition were seized. St. James. There was a joint anti-task gang activity. Yeah, them a talk about them roll out together. To find the enemy, me a talk about people that's doing illegality. The operation will continue and further update will be provided as it's become available, said the police in a press release. 7, 3 tall, 4 short, 200 corn, ready for popping at the heat, night or morn. Ladies and gentlemen, subscribe, like, and share to the Rasta Man channel. Yeah, build up the Rasta Man panel. All of the girls there, I want to bridge in this. And my brother, Lenky, give him a call. Yeah.
Yo, big up people, Stevie. You don't know Lenky, no. See it, you're out of fresh, clean, hustling more. You don't know. You just come my store still, you know what things say. Get to you, so you know what thing go. You know original, the real thing. And you mean action doing, action and plan. They approach Stevie.